Hey everybody, it's Neil and Christmas is coming up and I have these little fairy lights, fairy string lights. It comes with a 12 pack. You can see these are all 12 of them there. I'm going to try to take one of these out to show you guys how it works. Okay, so this is it here. So it comes with the little string of lights. Let's see, how do I do this here? Looks like it's this way. Yes, okay. So here we go. So now I can kind of open it up a bit. I thought, haha, it's a big long string. Okay. I think I was supposed to undo it one more time, but we're going to get it here. Okay. So I'm going to say it's probably 8-10 feet or so. I just didn't open it up enough. Let's see. Haha. Okay, so, and the way it works is it comes with a battery in it, so you pull the little tab out, right? And then you can push the button. Oh, I guess I gotta pull it all the way out. You push the button, and we are given the light. So let me see if I can see what I got going on here. This one goes... It's the way I took them out that I got them a little twisted up, but you get the idea here. It's there now, it's all done. Okay, so there we go. So we have it. So it looks like 1 is combination, 2 is in wave. Oh, I guess that's kind of like going one to the next. Okay, 3 is sequential. Oh, okay. 4 is slow glow. Probably should have left them all tied up so you can see them all at once. 5 is chasing and flashing. 6 is slow fade. 7 is twinkle flash. 8 is steady on. Oh, that's just on. And then 9 is off. So there we go. So those are all our different options there. And I'm about 6 feet tall, so it's about probably 7 feet. It's got an extra foot or so beyond the length of me. So that's it, and these are cool. So you could twist them around something. You just kind of use them and then dispose of them when you're done. You can stick them in a bottle. Like I always see them at restaurants and stuff. They have these things like sitting in a bottle with all the little sparkles. They kind of have them all bunched up. Like that, kind of in a bottle, or do whatever you want. Nice holiday, festive something. Put them around the fireplace. Whatever you want. These are great. Thumbs up.